Hi YouTube, it's me, Jacob, and today I'm going to be solving a 4x4. Now, you might be going, oh, but why? Well, it's kind of because I thought I did it too, but sadly I had to cut that part out because it was all glitchy and whatnot. So, and and I didn't, and there's too many algorithms on this thing to do a tutorial on how to do it. I might do it later, wink wink, but right now, nah. So, today's the day I solved this thing. Please hope. Okay, so, yes, I'm doing this for real. No buts about it. This is gonna be canon. We're gonna scramble this thing up. Now, I just wanna say, if this thing pops, I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna post this video and I don't wanna hear any comments that I didn't solve it. So, you with me? Make a deal? Yeah, you better shake my hand. Anyway, let's get to scrambling this thing. And for the record, I am not going slow. I'm gonna make the tutorial most likely after this, but right now, no. I'm not going fast. I mean, I am not going slow. Sorry. My grammar's a bit Now, we turn this thing on. Okay, sorry. Can't let you guys see my password. Now, the minute I press on this button, it starts. Are you ready? On the count of three, chat. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm not that good on. Now I'm not that good when it comes to the 4x4, so that's why I. So that's why I. So that's why I have been dodging this thing for a while now. But hey, you need to do something. You can't just sit around and do nothing for the rest of your life. That's the whole point of life, to get out there and do something. Okay, I'm hoping that nothing broke. Oh well. Now, while I'm solving this thing, I'm gonna tell you guys about some things about me. Number one, if any of you are asking, I'm technically not a kid. I'm decently old. I'm old enough to where I could pay bills. Yes, and also, just today I actually won a tournament that gave me a chess tournament, and that got me over $1,000. So that's pretty cool. And also, yes, I am doing some chess stuff on this channel too. Don't worry. It's gonna be neat, because to be honest, Cuban is pretty fun, but one thing that chess does better at is brain power. Yes, I do say that solving the 3x3 does take a bit of brain power, but I'd say chess takes a bit more, because you actually have to go up against real people, not just sit inside your room and do nothing. And also, if you're wondering what method I'm using, I'm actually using the layer by layer method, which is why I'm doing all these weird arm moves. Now on this channel, I'm actually gonna show you how to do the layer by layer method. See, I already got one layer. Anyway, oh man, I just missed it. Oh well. Red and then blue. Anyway, if you didn't, then I suggest that you don't do layer by layer unless you already solved the thing and and you actually want to try something new, which I don't advise. Don't try new things, kids. Trying new things is not that good. Because after all, trying new things means it's pretty much killing yourself, and we do not want a KYS. Well, at least not today. Bah! I'm gonna stop. We're actually gonna stop. Sorry if that was kind of deep. I don't really want to do it again. Anyway, I think it's time I stop talking. I bet you guys are pretty annoyed about that. So I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys hear some pretty nice music. Man, I'm not that familiar with the 3x3, so that's why I'm actually not doing as good as my thing. I thought I got 20 minutes right now. I most likely have 5. Let me check. Yeah, I got 5. Anyway, yeah, I normally average around 15 to 20 minutes. Actually, no, 20 to 25 minutes. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, if you didn't already know, I actually got a PB, and I'm gonna make a video on what all the words mean, because I genuinely sound as if I'm just yelling for no reason. Don't worry, I will give you guys the answers to those things. So don't worry, I got you, fam. I got you. Anyway, let's continue. Remove my things. Okay, we got all 3 layers. Now we just need to hit this thing down. I wanna know what's another. And wanna know what's in the. Let me pause the timer. And wanna know what's another thing you guys should hit? So the subscribe button. Hit it now, please. Yeah, you need to hit that subscribe button now. Anyway, back to solving. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Chat, get ready. I'm gonna try to get a new PB. I can see the timer, and it only says 8 minutes. I must have gotten a really good solve here. But, come on. Huh? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. No. There's no way I fumbled the bag this hard. Come on. Come on, I can still get a sub 10. It's not impossible. No, man. Don't tell me it's all... Yeah, it's been 10 minutes, I bet. I can't really look down because, well, in the middle of the solve, but I'm assuming. Oh well, once I finishes, oh well, once I pause the thing, then I'll know if of course this kid would do this to me. Oh man, I really have to show you guys a tutorial because like you guys must be going, what is he doing? I'm assuming that's what you guys are all thinking. Hey, not you guys, not your dad. I need to, mama. Okay, come on. We could at least do under 10 minutes. I'm open. If we have enough time. Come on. Yes! 10 minutes! New PB! New PB! And I fumbled the bag. Yeah! Yes, sir! By the way, the main reason I solved this so fast was honestly because I finally learned POL. It's pretty much, I can't really show you guys. I'll show you guys in the tutorial, but I finally mastered it. Dang, new PB. 10 minutes. So now none of you could ever say that I cheated on this thing. I'm gonna be posting how to solve this thing soon. So, but yeah, one more time, please just subscribe. Anyway, that's it, folks. I hope you have a wonderful day and peace.